Alright guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and get into Macy's if it goes up and over 33. I got a limit order for 500 shares, 20-cent stop, unless it pulls back any harder. For limit order at 33.05, try to get in right before it breaks out. I'm looking for 20 to 30 cents out of this. See if we can capture this thing live. Let's see here. Looking for a lot of sellers on level 2 as we get a little bit higher, so $95, starting to get ready, $89. If it pulls back below 80, I'm gonna have to adjust my stop, because initially my stop was gonna be down here at 32.60. So you can see the market's actually breaking out. Looks like it's breaking out over the highs. So that's definitely something to take into consideration when taking this trade. The market's in your direction. The pattern looks pretty good. Let's see here, 32. The only thing that I don't really trust on this thing is that it's broken out over 33 before, 33.03 here, and it didn't go, which is fine because it looks like it was overextended. All right, let's see here, looking for some anticipation. Just kind of sitting here, hovering, staring at the level 2. I'm waiting for the ask to get to 32.99 and then 33. As soon as I see that, I'm going to make sure that there's not a lot of sellers sitting, or a large seller sitting at 33. And if he is there, then I need for him to start getting smaller and smaller and smaller, which means that people are starting to go into it. $93, they're starting to get a little bit more aggressive here. $94, come on. $94, look at the buyers moving up a little bit. $95, $96. Now remember, if this thing goes, it's not going to fill me anything over 33.05. Still getting rejected here. 92. We've broken out over the highs with a lot of volume on the SPY. Come on. Come on, Macy's, you can do it. I just don't want it to get rejected right at 33 and just tank. That would be real crappy. Come on, 96. I hope this thing gives me a chance to get in. Come on, 98. I don't see a lot of sellers at 33 here. Buyers, you can see the buyers right at 97. 98, very close. Come on, don't get rejected. $91. Come on. I just need for them to start getting aggressive again. 93, 94. This is what I'm paying attention to, guys, right here. 93, 94. Just making sure that these guys are moving up. These guys are moving up as well. Now, I could put a stop limit order over 33.01 with a stop over with a stop at 33 like 10 or so. But I really want to get in right before it breaks out because I think when this thing goes, it's going to go. 7. $7. I'm going to go ahead and get in here. 30, what was my fill price? 32.98. There's 33. Holy crap, that is a lot of sellers. There's no way. There's no way. I don't think we're going to be able to get through that. 32.95. Not sure here. Not sure here. No, there's no way we're going to be able to get through that. Not sure. We'll see. I did not see those people before. Did it go up and over? High. $93. 91. Come on. Nope. We come back and push up. If I get a chance to get out at a decent price and try again, I'd rather lose those. $13. I'm going to go ahead and be down on M. I'm going to give it another shot here. 33.05. I don't want to get stuck there because of those, because of all those sellers. I need for that 33 to actually break, so me taking a $13 loss is not a big deal. So let's try this again. We got to wait for 33 to actually start breaking. Although it very well could have, it's just I'm not going to chance it right now. It's 13 bucks. It's not a big deal. So watching for 33 sellers to go. 98. Look at all those sellers right there. Oh, and I think they just got bought up. There we go, 33. Come on. Oh, where the heck? What? Where'd they go? Are you serious? Please tell me that wasn't a fake out. Come on. Oh, man. 33. I think they're renewing their quantities. Come on. Are you serious? You guys did see all those sellers and they just disappeared. Are you kidding me? Stop is still down here at 32.80. I'm gonna keep that. It's just that's ridiculous. You know, they were sitting there and they just went rogue. 32.99. Come on, buy them up. Buy them up. Come on, just break 33.01. Once it hits 33.01, there we go. Oh, come on. I thought I saw it. Once it hits 33.01, I think a bunch of orders are going to be fired. See, look, it really only says that there's 700 shares at 33, but they keep renewing, see? They're just playing a game. They are just playing a game. Let's switch this over to market. Come on. Oh, now there's more shares to be sold at 33. All this is a level 2 game right now. This is ridiculous. Come on, get bought up. We need these guys to disappear so this thing hits 33.01. They pulled their order. They pulled their order for a split second and hit 33.01 and got pushed back down. Come on. 30. There we go. There we go. Finally, those people got bought up. Jeez. All right, so I'm going to take my partial of 400 shares. I at least need 20 cents out of this. Are you serious? What? If this thing breaks up and over, if this thing is playing games again, I'm going to go ahead and get out. 32. Did they just renew? 32, 32.99. Somebody's playing games with this thing. 99. Come on. And now we're going to start tanking. 87. Yeah, they definitely don't want this thing over 33, or they got a lot of shares to sell. 32.91. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and get out. I need... Get a little closer. Get a little closer to 33. This is not good. $90. It's $45. They are playing some games right now. What is this? What's the bottom of this wick? Right here is 84. Here we go. Up and over 33 again. If this thing gets slammed back down, we're going to have an issue. $33.01. 32. $32.97. Come on. Get pushed back up there. Somebody's definitely got a lot of shares to sell. 15. $33.01. 06. Here we go again. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out. Screw that. There is... Oh, man. Yeah, I know. There's definitely somebody with a lot of money playing a game with this thing, and it is not good. When this thing broke out over 33, it should have gone. I think this is definitely a good example for you guys to see what kind of games these people play. These institutional buyers with a lot of money that have interest an interest in selling these things at a certain price, then pulling the rug and then going higher and then just slamming it back down. So that's definitely what ended up happening here on Macy's. This thing should have just gone, and it should have gone at least 20-30 cents, but it didn't. Took a small $13 loss on that. Not a big deal, whatever. But yeah, definitely gonna sit here and watch the level 2 and see what ends up happening. It's just that should not have happened. Definitely should not have happened. Even if it does go higher, there's definitely a lot of hidden interest in selling a lot of shares to some people here. So, but either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was, I think that was a little nerve-wracking, especially on my end. See, now there's a lot of selling here at 33.10. If you guys see it on the ask. So they're still definitely playing some games. They're trying to sell all their shares in all these people that saw that breakout. So I'm not going to sit here and play this game with them. Small loss for the day. Not a big deal. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not joined us yet on their Facebook group, make sure to do that. The link will be down in the description below, where I post my watch list for you guys every single day. Lastly, if you guys are curious on how I learn how to trade, I provided you guys with the discount code in the description. It comes with one-on-one mentoring, classes, and buying power, so make sure to take advantage of that. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.